verse on commands too. If you can't do it on command, this is what I do if I can't do it on command. Drink some soda, water, mix it, put a little cranberry juice, mix it, and then drink it. Yeah, pretty much. Once you drink it, wait after like 1 or 2 hours. Yeah, it's essential. So, or drink Capri Sun. That's good. Yeah, it makes me good. People have different stomach, so it might not make you good, but it sure makes me good a lot. Yeah. Capri Sun, alright. I'm gonna do some burps to show you what Capri Sun is to do. I drink some. Wait. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I really like that. And I can burp on command because I have 3 chins. And if you think I'm lying, I really do have 3 chins. One, two, three. Yeah. See? So maybe that's why. What's that? Online search for something goes to my neck. I really. Yeah, maybe. And I got a chin butt. So who knows? So, yeah. Drink Capri Sun if you wanna burp on somebody's face. Drink Coke if you wanna burp and spit on their face. Drink Coke and water and Capri Sun mix. So open up super burp. That was my last conclusion.